On today's project, we are making a curtain because this is the living room, this is the kitchen. This kitchen is actually an extension onto the house. The kitchen overall is just freezing. It's kind of making the house cold. So I looked online, I was trying to find curtains, and the only curtains I could find are like $100, and they're not what I want them to look like. So I just went to the fabric store. I picked up this. Look how dope. Look how dope! Also, because it's just like this really small doorway, it was also kind of hard to find a curtain rod. So I just went on Facebook Marketplace, the savior of all saviors, and I found this curtain rod for $10. It's a tension rod. They had this really cool material, but this is also very thin and probably not going to stop any coldness from coming through. So I thought about that. And I also picked up a heavier, thicker fabric that I'm gonna sew in between the curtain. I bought 2 of these, one for one side, one for the other side, so it's silver on both sides. And then this is gonna go in between. This is much harder than I expected, okay? The silver fabric is super thin and slippery, so it's really hard to get it flat laid out because I'm putting the other fabric in the middle so that it's heavier. It's just been really tough, so I figured out it's best to just lay down the thicker fabric, then put the other one on top. Now I'm gonna go and cut the edges, and then I'm gonna flip it over and then add the other silver fabric. I'm not gonna lie, this took me multiple tries to get it all flat, and so I pinned all the edges and I just sewed it on the floor to make it all easier. And there you have it, my beautiful new handmade metallic curtain that definitely keeps the cold out and is super groovy. I'll see you next time.